Hi there, Ryan from Metro Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you another aspect of looking after your little slot cars, which is very, very important, and that's keeping them well lubricated as well as cleaned. With most little slot cars, when you do your maintenance, taking the screws out the bottom of them and separating the chassis and the body, clear away any dust that may have collected around the axles. But then right down here where the axles go through the hubs there are little bushes, and they need to be kept oiled. If you keep them nice and fresh and lightly oiled, these cars will go very fast and stay at their optimum performance. The type of oils to use are just a specifically designed model oil. It's very, very light with a little needle applicator, so you can get it exactly where you need to have it. There are a few commercially available brands that you can get from the hobby shops just to basically do the same job. But at the same time, when you're cleaning up your car, also clean up the track. These guides on the track, your guide blade runs in the center and you have the two metal strips as the pickups. The excess oil can spray onto these metal strips. Dust can accumulate on them, and it basically reduces your connectivity, and if current can't get through that to your braids and to your motor, well, your car's not going to go very, very fast. An easy way to clean them is just with methylated spirits, no harsh chemicals, because you will melt your track. If you have any stubborn stains, a track eraser works very, very well, also available at the hobby shop. But don't use them too harshly, because they can remove the nickel plating that's on the metal, and you may possibly start to cause a rusting problem, which is then another problem altogether. So keep your cars clean, keep them fast, and have a lot of fun.